Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to delete Threads account. So go for your profile icon here and go for in this two line option. Now you have to go for account and you can see at the top of the in this page deactivate profile. So let me tell you one thing, you can't delete your Threads account. You just deactivate your Threads account. If you want to delete your Threads account, then you have to also delete your Instagram account. And so that's why you have to just deactivate your Threads profile from here and go for deactivate. And it's done. So if you want to log in to your reactivate your account, then you can go for in this option. So but you can't delete your account without your Instagram account. So that's it. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.